Yo, what's up, guys? This is Ishwar Mohan, and this is Roshan with me and Deepesh as usual. And we have Harshvardhan here today.
What's up?
So we're just going to have this normal conversation that we always used to have. He's going to record this, which is going to be a bit new for us. And Harshvardhan, how do you think you have, spent this quarantine till now? What do you think? How is it?
I guess I've been a bit more productive than most people.
How would you say that?
I've spent my time exercising.
No.
Yeah, I
Okay,
broke up.
that's new. That's new.
I broke up at present.
You're supposed to be one of me. Don't leave me.
Hey, come on, I still have a long way to go, dude. My situation is drastic. So yeah,
I'm a dude too. We become thin when quarantine.
Now that you don't even have other options to reduce weight, actually.
yeah, actually, that's true.
You got my point. You got my point.
I mean, yeah, not just that. I've been one of those unlucky ones whose company has told them to study before joining.
Oh yeah, you're in
and-
TCS now, right?
You're in TCS, yes.
Yeah. So I have been trying, but since the past 10 days, I don't think any progress has been made. So yeah, it's a slight feeling of dread, but I don't know what's going to happen. So I'm just,
What do they provide you with modules and shit like that?
yeah, they do.
What is it about? As in, what do you study?
Many different things, man. There's Python, then there is SDLC, algorithms, all
As a
basic.
pharmacy student,
computer-
Ishwar, do you really think you should ask this question?
I was gonna say it's not like he's gonna understand me.
Actually, jargons from him.
Don't be too rude.
These are actually, this is not rude, trust me. It's practical, and I wouldn't understand.
I have had friends in pharmacy since first year, so yeah, I mean, come on. Pharmacy, they're a great bunch, pharmacy. I mean, anytime,
It's
yeah.
really good.
Because anytime
And-
you want to feel better about yourself, you can look at the pharmacy guys and feel better.
That's what I was waiting for. That's what I was waiting
Exactly
for.
what I was
That's
doing.
what I was waiting for.
No, see, there was a
That-
time
no,
when
see,
Ishwar
that-
was very
But anyways,
sensitive to black jokes, but now he has just given in to them.
yeah, I was never really sensitive. I wouldn't mind if it's cracked by a person really close. I think I've told this to Harshvardhan also. There was a
Yeah.
point when we actually sat down and spoke about
It's the basis of our friendship, basically.
Yeah. Black jokes. Nice.
Yeah.
Good friendship.
We had this try, you, me, and Anushka, you remember?
Yeah, it's actually that.
Well.
It's not just the black jokes, it's the fact that we are the victims of all of those jokes. So we share each other's pain.
Yeah, exactly.
That's how we became friends, basically.
Wait, aren't you the one that cracks most of these jokes?
On
Yeah,
myself,
that's because
Yeah.
it's over the time. It's over the time.
in
Getting
first year,
used to it.
if you would have seen me in first year, you would have puked. Because I was in the same.
I've heard about this. I've heard about this.
Yeah. I mean,
Gosh,
this
that's
is a significant change before you guys came in campus and then met me and everything. So, yeah. You guys don't know the person I was to the person I am.
Was this significant change brought by marijuana?
It played a very small part. I have to admit. But I guess it was a campus, man. I mean, how much ever abuses you want to give, there is a certain thing that I've always said, I've told Ishwar also this, that there are two kinds of people in our campus. One is like people like us who actually do something, spend our time. It doesn't just have to be studies. It can be anything. Like you play the guitar, the ukulele. You're heavily into debating, both of you guys. I mean, so the advantage that I had was this. I had a lot of friends, not just in my class, but in other classes and other branches across all years. So different perspectives and different. So like my seniors, they actually encouraged me a lot. They helped me. So it helped me build a great amount of self-confidence that by the time I graduated, I feel it was a gift for me. So yeah, I mean that played a
You
very
did tell me about this. You did once tell me about the script writer who wasn't wrong, who kind of supported you.
yeah. So in Rang, basically, I joined very late in the first year, so I didn't really even perform in the first year. My participation was nil. But in the second year, I started to get heavily into participation, and I was always interested in writing. So there was one senior of mine. His name is Karthik Srinivas. He's currently graduating fifth year right now. He was in MBA Tech EXTC in third year at the time, and he was the main script writer. So we were told that anyone who's interested, approach him. So I did. And at that time, there weren't many people who were into script writing. It was me, him, Srishan sir, and a few other people. But there came a time where I spent a lot of time with him, script writing, and he was also South Indian. So,
Yeah,
so
the name
there
gives it
was
away.
kind of yeah. So I always there came a point where I told him that sometimes I feel trouble adjusting and everything, and he told me one simple thing is that if you're different, that's good, and in fact you should use it, amplify it as much as you can, and that will also show in your work, and I've followed that every day from since then. So yeah, he was a great influence basically.
And
So
Rang
you
was like a
became the
place for
head
you
of
to
Rang.
vent out all of your, you know,
uh
all of the things that just got bogged in your head, right, the whole day.
it wasn't just Ram. So I mean, Ram was the first experience of mine. Up until then, my entire first year, I used to be scared of approaching people or talking to strangers or something. So I was a extremely shy guy. Ask Pratik. In all Ram
Yeah, he's
meetings, I
told
used to
me.
sit in one corner at the side and not talk to anyone. That was me. Come second year, I participated in Rang a lot and also DevSoc and NM1. So when I got into the NM1 OC in second year, that's when it all changed because until then I had friends in my class and friends in Rang and everything, but also I got to meet people in other branches. I got to know them, their perspectives and everything. And thankfully, they were very friendly. I mean, I came to college with that cliche in my mind that everything is going to be, you know, it's going to be lonely. The seniors are going to rag you, but no one did. In fact, they were very helpful, and they were the first ones to say that you should come out of your rooms. Up until then, for a long time, for that first semester, it was an alien concept, and I never got out of my room. So it was important for me to meet people, and thankfully, I did. I really thank my stars that I met these people.
But sometimes it's also the naysayers who kind of like inspire you to do something. Don't you think so? I'm
Naysayers
just
don't.
asking you.
Yeah, naysayers are
Just
everywhere.
asking
In
you.
fact, I've lived with naysayers in my room for 3 years. I remember a point, Deepesh, you're the DJ of NM1 now, and you're also in the core. Okay, you guys will. There came a point I was in the ASO core in third year. Okay, and I called my team member up to my room for some work, and these guys were insulting NM1 in front of us. Okay. Now again, in
That's
front
what
of
Darshan
us.
did in the first podcast.
Yeah, I saw.
I don't know what you're talking about.
So I have lived with them. Everything that I've done, the first thing that they have said is it's stupid. It's the first thing they've said. That's the mistake they made. They are the people who no one knows, they never interact with anyone outside class, hardly few people. But they also told they at the end of college almost they also told me that one of them told me that he was wrong to assume because he could see that I had made a significant change in my personality because of all of this. And he told me that he actually appreciated it. So it's only when you see someone else do it and you see how they're progressing is when you appreciate it. So
Exactly. And I guess even the patient I would have experienced this some point, some or the other time,
of course, in
in these
fact, if
past
you
2 years,
haven't,
because at least I have seen people wherein they've come and told me saying stuff like, as in, stuff that you're doing is really shitty. I'm pretty sure even Deepesh must have
Nah, man, my
come
roommates
across
are
some
really
people
good,
like that.
man. My roommates are awesome. They are the best.
Not your roommates, not your roommates in particular, just people who tell you that stuff that you're doing is really shit. But then
Because
they just end up appreciating you at the end because they see you really ace that shit.
no, I'll tell you, the main issue people had with me was that I was in the Logi team. All right. And like, it's obviously for me, it was a source of immense pride that I was the part of the team because of whom the event was progressing on D-Day. But logistics does not have the same point of view with everyone. बाकी लोगों को कुछ अलग ही लगता है कि ये तो कुछ अलग चीज है. This is not something that is equal to every other company. So there have been times when a lot of people have come up to me and said कि यार you should be doing something else rather than this because obviously I am good at marketing, I'm good at sponsorship, I'm good at corporate relations. I've been a part of a lot of.
I guess I myself have come up to you and told you that.
Yes, even you have, and so has like a lot of people. Even Lilani sir has once told me that you are better suited for things like PR and sponsorship and corporate relations other than this. But the reason I was
To this point, I actually agree.
Yeah, and
To this point, I actually agree.
that is true, and I agree.
Logi is like, there's this thing in college where Logi is just like, they're the workers of the committee. They don't have much value.
Yeah, but they're the people when you.
But they are the ones who literally like push it at the last day.
Yeah, dude, you can't survive without them. You need a team.
I realized that when Deepesh was in my committee and I was a reporter and I saw literally like all the logistics members literally sweating it out for us at that moment, like without any complaints.
And talking about naysayers, Ishwar, Roshan, you guys are in a drama society, which again, some people like and some people feel that what we do is, I don't have a proper word to describe.
Yeah, heard of it.
For a lack of a better word, bullcrap. But
a great actor.
I've always maintained that the people who come in wrong are the ones who do it just for the love of doing it.
Yeah.
And I'm sure you guys have also faced. You guys must have had some of the other people telling you that, what is this? What the hell are you doing? You might as well.
Come on, like I've told you, like a lot of things that has happened to me.
Yes, you've told me. And I know this. I've spoken to Ishwar a lot about everything since first year, so I know what he's faced. I don't know what you two might have faced, but I'm pretty sure the same thing. Anyone who's tried to do anything in our campus has faced some sort of backlash from someone or the other. And
yeah,
for some reason, I cannot fathom why. I mean, it's probably just the human psyche, normal process of the human psyche that just is there everywhere, and that actually helps.
Surprisingly, I was shocked when I started getting a lot of comments on why I'm performing for Protsahan. I didn't know that was something people could hate. So like, dude, Protsahan's meant to enjoy and relax and the food and all that. Why are you wasting your time performing and all? And I'm like, what is
Based
wrong
on
with
this year, Protsahan is also meant to happen. Like,
Yeah, but that didn't happen and I was sad and I had a really good song ready. Damn it.
Yeah, you guys are better. It was my last Protsahan.
I mean, yeah, that's also there.
yeah, you can say
It
this
was the
for
one year I
everything.
gotten into the committee.
that's
It was
so
the
sad. That's so sad.
You can say this for everything, ऐसे तो यार. मतलब,
I mean, not for many things. I mean, of course, we didn't get a proper farewell. We didn't get a graduation, proper exit, and Protsahan. These three are the only things that I'm, sort of, guess, upset about. I guess the rest of the time of college I've experienced, man. There was nothing else left. I mean, we were pretty excited to go back home.
Oh, but one thing I will never forget about Protsahan was waiting in line. I think Harshan sir, you had the stall for the burgers.
Yeah, I did.
I remember waiting in line for almost 45 minutes just to have the burgers because they were so amazing. And I was just waiting while everyone was singing. I'm just there like, yeah, I got 4. Yeah, okay, cool. I'm just waiting.
You were waiting for 45 minutes?
he's like, इतनी तो भीड़ थी ही नहीं.
No, it was actually crowded. There was a lot of people there.
There were a lot of people. I was surprised. I mean, our stall was originally vada pav. We transformed that into burger.
Yeah.
And that's sold.
Hey, but it was like 200 and something for a burger.
No. It started at
That's
70.
gone mad over it.
No, on the last day it was fucking expensive. I remember.
Yeah. Last day was very expensive.
Because
It's still
I remember
sold.
I
It's
bought the
still-
most in the last day.
It's still sold. We actually made more on the last day.
150 रुपए का खाया है मैं लास्ट डे पे पपड़ी चाट 150 रुपए और इट वाज नॉट इवन लाइक प्लेट में था इट वाज इतना सा इससे ज्यादा प्रसाद मिल जाता है मंदिरों में फ्री में
No, dude, that's why the burger was amazing. The burger was massive.
150 का क्या था?
पपड़ी चाट
Papdi chaat.
What was the filling inside the burger?
I have no idea. I didn't even bother asking.
Then ask him now. What was it?
And I got the most expensive one too.
What was
There were
the-
like many types of.
What was the
burgers.
filling inside the burger?
It was a veg patty that was made in the mess.
How is it so good?
We actually
That is scam then.
we actually wanted to get someone from out. When we got Vada Pav, we were going to get again Chotu or someone else, but then we were told that you're not allowed to get anything from outside. So like we're fucked.
Talking
the
about
laugh.
being in committees. I mean, Harshvardhan, you've been a part of the OC in the first year, second year, and then you've ended up leaving after a point wherein DevSoc, I've seen you've been in the core,
Yeah.
and I guess you were the director of documentation.
Yeah. Correct.
So how do you think that transformation happened from the first year and second year? How did you gain the confidence to lead a team?
Okay, so it wasn't just me. So when I was in first year, Asim Jandal, I think you guys might know.
I've heard.
So he was the director of Anaman at the time, and the people in DevSoc there was Siddhant Sharma. So they were all the MBA techs. They left next year. There was a guy called Siddhant Sharma. There was Nidhi Agrawal, Pranjal Jain. So these three were leading DevSoc. And I was one of the few people, the few crowd who actually attended DevSoc sessions. And they because there were few people who were actually interested in debating, but at least there was a good number of people, but it was a very picked choice. So they made a point to every meeting they would encourage us. It took me a long time to actually get the encouraged to actually speak. So by the end, I finally got that confidence. I spoke, and that's when it all started. So next year, when the Andaman interviews happened, so I went docu. I was a docu member. When I got into docu, I met Divyanshi, who was in the co last year. I met and again, so with me, and because of Anaman, I met Priyam. So Priyam's one of his friends from campus. So that was actually, he was the only guy I knew at the time from pharmacy until I met few other people in Ram also. So every year it was like, because I had something more to do and because I interacted more, was because you get to learn, you get to know the tricks, and so every person has to ask them that how do they deal with, suppose my biggest fear was stage fright. The biggest fear I had. So when I came into Rang and I asked my seniors, I asked the seniors in DevSoc also, like how do you deal with that? So everyone had their own way. Everyone has their own way. So no matter, they told me all of what they do and how it's supposed to overcome their fear. But I guess I developed my own way because of the encouragement and the practice. By the time I came into third year, I had juniors as well. I interacted with them, and they asked me about what to do, what not to do. I met Roshan when you and Ishwar when you guys came in first year. We instantly clicked, and to some extent I've learned something from you guys as well. So every year there's been something to learn. So in the first year is when the confidence came. In the second year, I guess that's when the maturity came. Is how you deal with situations. That's when I actually started working in something. That's when I learned. And again in the third year, how to lead a team. Again, I don't consider myself a great leader or something because I know I made many mistakes. but all of them have been a step further in, I guess, my development or something. So, and by the time you guys, finish college, every year you'll know that every year you had something to learn and something that has helped you.
That is correct.
Yeah, I guess at the same time, there are like two kinds of people wherein I've seen, I'm not really boasting this guy or anything, but there's Deepesh wherein I've seen wherein they have a certain set of leadership quality from the beginning itself, right? They do, in fact. And then I've seen that we these kind of people, like with those kind of people who kind of like, garner this sense of leadership over a period of time.
Over time, yeah, that's true.
Again, guys,
I've seen quite a
I
few
would not
people
like to
like
repeat this from the
Anirudh.
last podcast, but I haven't paid Ishwar any sorts
Not
of
paid
money.
anything.
Now
Yeah,
I
yeah.
will be paying him after this podcast is done. Thank you, guys.
Yeah,
Hey, but
I mean,
Dipesh, be honest. Ever since you came to college, you were always that one badass who used to, like, speak about everything, argue with everyone, get everything done on the
This is
spot.
not
It's
true.
not like you just came out.
This is not true at all.
Really, the minute you joined college, I was introduced to you as the one guy who could like convince anyone about anything.
Yeah,
And
that is the good way to say it. That is the only way you should be saying it. ऐसे नहीं कि you are this guy who goes.
The way he said it was, yeah, it was so nice.
ऐसे तो नहीं करता भाई.
yeah, I mean, there have been quite a few people who have felt, instantly leadership quality. I met them in my first year itself. And I actually used to envy them for a long time. Because some people just exude confidence. Like, it just comes out of them naturally, And for me at the time, it
Just
was
like you.
hard. It's a crippling fear actually. I mean, if someone's not there to help, or if that fear is not properly managed, when the time you either break down or you succeed. It's like that.
But then I guess you find your tribe eventually, right? I mean,
Eventually.
like you end up joining stuff that you like. You end up
try.
doing stuff that you like.
No, if you try, it's not like you sit
Yeah.
in your room and then you
that
expect
doesn't
to
Yeah,
gain leadership quality sitting in your room playing Counter-Strike and everything. That doesn't happen. You have to make an attempt first. That's the first step. And once that is complete, then you have a chance. It's like that.
Is this a personal attack to people who game a lot?
No, it's not just that. I mean,
Roshan-
gamers also
Roshan- Roshan is his big ass gamer.
that was just a reference. I mean, anyone who just sits by idly, that was a thing. I mean, our campus is such a bloody isolated thing. You'll look crazy if you're not doing something. You'll go crazy if you're not doing something. You can't go to Sirpur every day, even if you try. What else will you do?
So you can actually.
But
Shantanu used to go to Shirpur almost
on
every
the
day.
Yeah,
but yeah, exactly. He goes every day. He goes every day. On the contrary, me and Deepesh have had this conversation, quite a lot of times, wherein Deepesh has told me that, isn't it beautiful that we are in a place which is very remote, and at the same time we get to do so many things because it's kind of untouched, it's really undisturbed by the urban thing.
I don't love it.
I feel there's two sides to this coin of how our campus is. So, and if it's your luck that you fall in either of the two sides. So some people, they adjust very quickly and they find something and they latch on to it and they make it their passion, they make it the obsession, and that's how they adjust to the 3 or 4 years that they're there. The others, some break down, some feel like quitting in the second year. I know I was one of those people. I would have quit in second year. There's a lot of external factors that are at play here. I mean, if you have a good set of people around you who make you realize that you don't have to sit, you're not alone here, then that's actually helpful, and that's how you get through it.
I almost
Today
left
got
college in
placed.
first.
Yeah,
Done
I
with the
mean,
4th year in what place? Come along with.
I'm just happy I have a job considering the amount of the situation that's going on around right now. I'm just happy I have a job. That's it.
The situation.
So now you've completed 2 years of college, right? And I've seen at least two of you I've been close friends with since your first year. Deepesh I met only this year. So I want to ask you guys, how exactly do you think you've changed since coming to college? Now that you're
Listen,
entering third,
Roshan and me. Roshan and me.
all of you guys. I mean, what's your perspective on this? How do you think you've changed?
We made an entire video about it, वैसे तो,
Roshan, you go first.
because we are so self-obsessed.
Yeah. Narcissist. Roshan!
Honestly,
You go first.
okay, I don't have much to say, right? Because honestly, my whole first year has just been like me trying to convince people that I'm not an idiot. Because everyone thought that, okay,
Not
when I
just an
joined
idiot,
college,
something else.
Not just an idiot.
I just needed one of them. Okay, I'll tell you why. When I first joined college, I didn't know. Now, this is something my story, okay? It seems they had the interpretation, especially roommates, they had that NRI is joining us. That means he must be really hot with abs and damn famous. Apparently, this is like a little stereotype that's going around. And when I joined college, I already started with a really shit reputation. And I think Harshans, I told you this. I'm like, I don't know what people is. I don't know what they think about me. So the whole first year was just trying to prove them that I'm not that bad. I'm cool too. Which again kind of failed, but still I was there. The only thing that saved my college life was my ukulele.
Oh, yeah.
That was the only thing that saved my college life. Apart from that, I would have legit been nobody.
For me, in the first year, I've told you. In the first year, I've told you. You know that I was kind of secluded from my whole branch.
You, I feel that I've read you completely front to back.
Yeah. Everyone has.
I mean, there's nothing that can. Yeah. As the juniors, this guy's the only one who approached me constantly during dinner. Almost every other week.
Yeah, after the sessions also. After the sessions.
After the sessions also.
Yeah.
And honestly, I entertained him because I loved his enthusiasm. This guy was like, he came to me and he was like, he has some issues with confidence or, he's sort of secluded. And then the amount of enthusiasm display was next level. I'm like, what the hell? If you're that enthusiastic about something, then you shouldn't have a problem. That was my first.
That's the whole thing. That's the whole thing. I never had an issue. That's the whole thing. I never had an issue with confidence or any of that sort. That was after joining the college. When I started having issues with my batchmates, that's when I could see my confidence level drop. And then,
Deepesh, what about you?
Why do you
then
have
I
a pink
met
pot?
you guys.
See,
How stereotypical?
I have probably been like, see, the thing that Ishwar said about leadership and everything, I relate with it because when I was, ever since school, I have been in positions where I was supposed to be the leader of shit like that. So because when I was in 11th, I was the president of the school's literary club, which in its own fame and something like that, I was the youngest president of that club in 11th standard because the presidents were usually elected in 12th. So I've had this pleasure of always being in leadership positions. And then again, when I came to college, the same was the case, all right. And then first year was very blank. All my first year, I had tried to just get into college events, just get out of room for any godforsaken reason, be it any event, be it anything and everything. And then in the second year, things started to shape up quite a bit because of NM1 and because of Unicom and because of all of the other things that I was a part of. So if like it is very true, like people in my Unicom group also sometimes ask me about leadership and how do I handle everything and everything. So my basic like the confidence I get is because of the escape hatch that I've developed for myself. Like I have this escape mechanism that no matter how shit my day goes, I have this one thing to fall back to every day, which is at 9 p.m. when I'm having dinner with these assholes. no matter how shit my day is, no matter how bad I do, how good I do, I know that at the end of every day 9 बजे मेस में अंडा काउंटर पे ये दोनों खड़े होंगे, किसी से पैसे मांग के ऑर्डर कर रहे होंगे खाना, क्योंकि हमारे पास पैसे होते नहीं है कभी भी, तो हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं से मांगते हैं और हम खाना ऑर्डर करते हैं. So
I can relate.
So I believe this escape mechanism has kind of helped me build more confidence in myself, knowing that
always
I love these two people.
at the right counter.
Hashtag.
Also,
You're always at the right counter.
Also, Roshan is never.
Yeah, dude. I mean,
Hey, okay, I can't go to the egg counter, man. It's too hectic for me.
I love the egg counter. It was like my second home.
First
It's not
of all,
that.
I don't get net there. Second of
Me and
all, I
Ishan
can't.
always went to the mess at 9, okay? And then Roshan used to come. We were like, hi Roshan. Roshan was like, sorry, band practice, bye. And then he went.
It's not my fault, man. It's not my fault.
And there was one time that Roshan wanted to ignore us so bad. He said, sorry guys, run practice, have to go. Completely forgetting that Ishwar was sitting on that table and was a part of run.
Yeah, actually, that happened.
He wanted to ignore us so bad. He said, sorry, run practice.
Wait, hold on. When did I say rung practice at night?
Ishwar, pata hai isko?
See, there were two instances. Yeah, there were two instances. Once you said you said you want to talk to someone. I need that person.
Talk to someone, yeah, but the rung practice, the only time I said rung, I had to go for rung thing was towards the end when we had to practice and all that. That was the only time I ever used the name of rung after 9. I've never used rung practice.
if this guy's ever used band practice, ironically, I've never seen this guy actually play in a band.
No, he's a
Yeah,
vocalist. He's a
Patwa's band. I was the bass player in Yash Patwa's band.
I didn't see that perform.
Because Protsahan never happened.
That's the reason.
And I had my own band with Dev, and
First year.
No, this isn't first year. The
Second year.
First year was always these.
And these 3 people from the room were in a band and they held regular shows for the 4th roommate. It was very lively.
Come on, man. Take me back to first year here. I can't fit in again. Wait, but what's this rivalry between Debstock and Unicom again? How?
That's not a
No rivalry. There is no rivalry. There is no rivalry. It's because of people like you.
Yeah,
Then I'll continue it.
I'll tell you why Roshan has an issue with this. Because he does not like Depsock and he was removed from Unicom.
I was removed from Unicom and I never went to Debstock.
Yeah, I never saw him in Debstock.
Yeah, I was in Debstock. And I wasn't. I messaged Shaurya saying that, dude, I don't have time have to be for Rung, for Mood Indigo, for which we never performed.
Hey, but we did have a good time in Mumbai.
Hey, but we had a very good time. Okay.
Me especially.
Yeah.
You especially.
Hey, but I'll tell
And
you
I
what.
enjoyed.
Harshvardhan, myself, KG had the best time. Remember?
Yeah, I was there.
And
I
Roshan,
know.
Roshan had the best.
I remember Roshan was there.
Oh God.
I was legit like
I still remember that.
See his
I'm
face.
going to, you know what's the worst part? I'm going up to Roshan and I'm like, dude, the earth is spinning around and shit like that. And he got
I saw a video of Ishwar.
he
where,
grabbed his pants.
I saw a video of Ishwar where you guys are in some amusement park. Okay. And these guys are clicking a picture. Alright. These guys are clicking a picture from Shantanav's phone or something. And then suddenly Ishwar comes from the background. His eyes are blood red. His eyes are legit blood red. He comes up with something in his hand.
Amusement park.
Mood.
Oh, it was a cosplay.
Oh yeah, the cosplay shit. Yeah, and
Talking about Mood.
yeah, and Muda there was a cosplay.
It was
When did this happen?
When
Dude,
you guys
it was
were
the
sitting
day
down
after.
eating.
It was the day after that night. The next day.
The next day. You guys were sitting down and eating in the canteen while me, Shantana, Purvi, Ishan, Ishwar, all we went out.
Right. I remember that. I also remember what
Ishan was trying vegan food.
Ah,
I remember most of that night is that we had kept Roshan on guard duty. Okay.
Yeah.
On the road, and every time a car passed by, Roshan cracked his pants. And then
Roshan was
because
like, Roshan, there's a car coming, there's a car coming, there's a car coming.
yeah, and then because of that, we our pants. We were like, what the hell?
The best was KG. Right? Okay,
KG was
they heard,
numb as
no, they
KG was
okay,
numb as
Dipesh, they heard sirens, right? Like a cop car siren type, and it was going far away, not even close to us. It was going far away, and I'm just chilling, and KG in the back is like, "Bhai, police, I'm mar paa raha hu, मैंने तूने मुझे बताया क्यों नहीं?" I'm like, "It's far away, I can't even see it." And then KG is like, "Bhai, तू guard नहीं कर रहा है यार." I'm like, "Go die."
Oh, and her, do you remember like once after, once we ordered that food,
Yeah.
KG was really annoying, and then I was like,
Yeah, I remember that.
we started fighting after one point.
After that entire incident, KG was hungry. I was hungry. Like I'll also eat. So we ordered Jumbo King. Okay. At 12 o'clock at
In the
night.
morning.
Yeah, 3 in the morning. Yeah, 3 in the morning. We ordered Jumbo King to be delivered there. Okay. We were damn hungry. It came at 4:45 or 5 or something. And in that entire time, I was sitting and I was enjoying one thing: Ishwar and KG. These guys couldn't first of all control themselves. They got into an argument, and then Ishwar streamed them. It was the most entertaining thing Ishwar has done in his life, even better than his run performances. Okay, I'm not kidding.
No man,
I-
Ishwar's best was when we were trying to enter the hotel, the dorm and all that. Ishwar puts his hand on me and he's like, "Bro, do I stink?" And I'm like, "Ah, yes, you do." And he's like, "What if the guard catches me, bro? Like, dude, if the guard catches me, I'm screwed. Do I act normal?" And I'm just there like, "Ishwar, walk away from me. Walk away from me."
Okay. Valentine's Day. Okay, Valentine's Day. I have no one to be with. Shantana has no one to be with. Shantana and I decide that Valentine's Day outing hai, we'll go out. We're gonna have fun. All right. We ask Ishwar. Ishwar is like, "Ki bhai, Valentine's Day, we are like going on an outing. You wanna come?" So he's like, "नहीं, हमारे तो exams खत्म हो रहे हैं. We are going home. We are gonna be at Kings only. Me and my pharma friends. So I'll come down to meet you." So we went to Kings. I and Shantana were sitting. We call him up. We are like, "Hey, we are in Kings. नीचे बैठे हम लोग आजा." He comes. This guy is so stoned. He's not able to stand. ठीक है, वो individual compartment होता है ना, उसका सहारा ले रखा है इसने, और उसके बाद ये खड़ा है. All right. तो हमने उससे पूछा कि, "Bro, everything cool?" So he says, and he just does this. He doesn't even say something. He does this, and he just goes up, hands up in the air. And his eyes are blood red. He cannot see anything. I don't know how the fuck was he even standing. ये आता है, बैठता है. हमने उसको बोला कि आजा, let's have some food. No bro. Had food, had smoke, had drink, had bro. Bro, go bro. हो गया यहाँ पे. इससे ज़्यादा चला ही नहीं जाएगा.
Valentine's Day was stressful for me and Ishan. You guys were handling this shit. You're handling some other shit. Damn.
There came a point, Roshan. I don't think if you know this, you remember that restaurant we went with Utkarsh sir and Anjali ma'am?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You remember the bromance that was happening at the end of the table?
Yep, Ishwar and Ishan.
Isha.
There was nothing.
The whole table, like, it was a long table. And
He was
everyone was
staring
just
into
looking
your
at
eyes.
Ishan.
He was staring into your eyes. Okay, I made it a policy in life never to stare into a man's eyes.
Okay, we were talking about something. We had an argument. Okay? We were talking about something. And I was pulling his leg. That's it.
He was puppy dog eyes. It's like he's gonna propose right there and then.
Dude, Ishwar. Ishan was staring at you like this. And like smiling, giggling.
Yeah,
That's
I've
why
seen
we
Ishan
all were
dance.
looking at you like, whoa.
I've
The
seen
entire
Ishan
table is looking at
Ishan,
him. These
Ishan
guys-
wasn't drunk that night.
Dude,
every fucking time. That's Ishan every fucking time.
I mean,
That's
yeah,
how he
Ishan does
is.
always look drunk.
The entire table is staring at him.
Ishan drunk. Have you ever seen Ishan drunk?
Oh,
No.
why is the debate seen that? We even have a
Me
recording
too.
of it.
Me too.
He came from an outing.
Yeah, I was there.
Okay, he came from an outing with Shantana. We were in the mess. हम तीनों बैठे. वो आके हमारे साथ बैठता है. All right. And वो भाई, I don't even know. He's had this urge. He wanted to debate with me and Ishwar regarding the fact whether he's drunk or not. So he was in one team. He was in his own team, trying to debate against me and Ishwar, who are in a single team, whether he's drunk or not.
And I was moderator.
All right. So this guy wanted water between the debate. He puts the glass on the table and then he wets his pants with the water.
That's nothing. After he pours the water, he puts the glass up. The water's falling, but he's not opening his mouth. It was just falling around him, and then after he puts the glass down, he opens his mouth and he's like, "Bro, why am I wet, bro?" And I'm like, "Ishan, what is wrong with you?"
First up, he poured some water in the glass and most water on the pants. Okay. And then he's trying to be Slice ki Katrina Kaif. He's just dropping water on his lips. T-shirt pe. And then he kept the bottle down. And then he's like, I wish I had water, but koi na, let's debate. And we are debating. Me and Ishwar were thinking कि we are debating against a junior who is drunk with pants that are wet and with t-shirt that is also wet. We are still debating against him. So there was a point in the debate where we kind of proved to him that he was drunk. And that's when you were like, चल अब हो गया debate, अब हम plate रखने जाते हैं. So me, Roshan and Ishwar obviously took the plates because Ishan couldn't walk. तो हमने plates ली, हम रख के आए. Ishan is waiting for us. And he's like, Dipesh, we haven't debated in a while. Let's debate.
Oh yeah, he said that. I was like,
He's like, "Round 2, I want to start." I'm like, "Wow."
He was like, मेरे को round 2. तो ये बैठा है.
that is how drunk.
नहीं, उसकी ईगो थी भाई, उसकी ईगो थी, वो बैठा है, मैं उसके बगल में बैठा, ठीक है. मैंने बोला okay, give me a topic. He's like, let's talk about should prostitution be legal.
Oh yeah, I was on the phone.
Yeah, Ishan was on the phone.
I was like, what side do you want to support? He said, I want to be in the favor of this. मैंने बोला okay, easy for him to say. मैं against में गया, वो favor में गया. After 15 minutes, after debating with me, he's like, this is more of a discussion, I feel. Let's make it
Yeah,
more of a discussion. Let's involve everyone. Let's not take sides. Bus. that moment, bro. मतलब literally ईशान ने नशे में अपने बाल आगे करे, फिर अपने बाल स्प्लिट करे, फिर उसने सलमान खान का तेरे नाम वाला गाना पूरा गाया है. And we have it on video.
Oh yeah, I can do the recording. I can do the recording.
But drunk Ishan is better than drunk Shantanu.
Include this in the video, please.
No, can't.
We'll do that. We'll do that.
Not the recording of this conversation we can.
Dude, but drunk Shantanu threw a chappal straight at me with full force on my ear. Shantanu
Okay.
picked up the chappal, went boom, straight at my ear. My ear got
And his
so
ear was
red, it was
bump as a watermelon.
Guy was dancing at the Flavium basketball game. CS versus Mac. Guy came in after outing. Shantanu.
Oh,
He came in after
I was there.
standing there. He came up to me, started dancing. He's like, "What's up, sir? What's up?" I'm like, "Are you okay?" And then his roommate comes and says, "Okay, let me take him." Like, they take him.
Oh my
These
God.
guys cannot handle it.
Oh,
Dude,
I remember,
that's
I
nothing.
remember, I
During that
remember.
same CS Mechanical fight, not fight, that during that, they had a match, right? A football match.
Yeah.
They had that Shantanu, either he was drunk or high, I have no idea what he was. But he was like screaming randomly, like, go CS, go CS. And then I walked behind him and Shantanu was like, "Hey Roshan, you're mechanical, right? You know you're going to lose, right?" And behind me, there's just this line of Forte Mechanical. And I'm like, "Shantanu, shut up. Shantanu, shut up. For your life, shut up."
Okay. What happened once was, Shantanu was drunk. Okay, he had Old Monk, which he thought was a quarter, but was a bottle. So he had the entire bottle. he came home. We came from the outing. I was in my room, okay, and I was doing something. I was in the room. I was doing something. He just came to my room, and he just lied flat on the bed. All right, and he's very tall. So almost 3/4 of Shantanu was down on, like, out of the bed, and 1/4 was Shantanu was on my bed in my lap. Shantanu is in my lap in front of my roommates who are just trying to think कि पिछले 10 सेकंड में एक नशेड़ी कमरे में आके इसकी गोद में गिर गया. That is what they are saying in the last 10 seconds. And I'm like, क्या हुआ? तो उसने बोला कि everyone hates me, bro. मैं बोला, yeah, that is true, but what happened? So he said कि nothing, I just came from an outing, I'm a little drunk. मैं बोला, okay, say your name. Then he said Shantanu Kumar, and that had the fumes. मतलब भाई उन फ्यूम्स को आप रिकॉर्ड कर लोगे ना तो आप सैनिटाइजर बना सकते हो. इतना इतना ज्यादा अल्कोहल था उसकी ब्रेथ में. इतने गंदे लेवल का अल्कोहल था उसकी ब्रेथ में. तो बैठा हूँ रूम में फैला हुआ है. मैं उस बंदे को 3 माला नीचे छोड़ के आया हूँ सीढ़ियों से, क्योंकि हमारी लिफ्ट खराब थी. मैं उस बंदे को 3 माला नीचे छोड़ के आया हूँ, जिसमें वो मेरे को 3 बार सीढ़ी से गिरा देता. इतने नशे में था, फैला हुआ. उसके बाद उसके 2 दिन बाद मैं और ईश्वर उसको कॉल करते हैं कि भाई किधर है. उसने बोला वी आर इन द फील्ड. So me, Ishwar, Roshan, we went to the field where Shantanu was drunk and Ishan was seemingly drunk. He wasn't, but he seemed that he was drunk. Okay. So Shantanu was actually trying to throw a slipper at Ishan. Roshan suddenly, out of nowhere,
came in the way. Yeah.
Not even in the way. It's like, this is Ishan. Roshan is 90 degrees ke angle pe from Ishan. And Shantanav's aim was Ishan. And his aim was so bad that his chappal
Came straight for my ear.
and this. इसके यहाँ पे पड़ी पट्टी पे सीधा.
For the first 2 seconds, I don't know what happened.
I think we should just wind this podcast up so that no more stories come out.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Dipesh is gonna have enough time.
Man, I feel like I'm missing out not being drunk or high. I feel really bad.
Then do either of those.
Yeah, man, you should try.
Yeah, but there's something.
Sorry, Mom.
You know, Roshan, you're this mom. When people around you get drunk,
What?
you will help us through that phase. Remember?
I'm supposed to handle you guys while getting slippers on me. Seriously?
थोड़ा वाइंड अप कर लेते हैं.
Yeah, wind up कर लेते हैं भाई.
ये वाला
Wind up
part
कर
तो
लेते
मैं edit out कर दूंगा. ये वाला part तो edit हो
हैं.
जाएगा.
Yeah, obviously ये तो करना ही पड़ेगा.
Damn it.
Otherwise लोग podcast report कर देंगे. All 3 people watching this will report the podcast. All right, okay. Let's just end this, okay? So, all right, guys, this was the podcast this week, and thank you, Harshvardhan, for joining our little band of rebellions.
For a fun-filled
Yeah,
conversation.
my pleasure.
For a fun-filled conversation. I hope you had fun, because we had immense fun listening to your stories and a lot of other jokes that probably will be deleted in the final cut. But then, okay, thanks a lot for being here. Thank you for all of you who are watching this. And if you guys want to be a part of the podcast, if you guys have any topics we should discuss about, please let us know in the comments below, or you can talk to us in our Instagrams. You can talk
DM us on the Instagram.
You can talk to Harshvardhan on his Instagram. His Instagram will also be mentioned in the comments below, in the description below. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys.
Yep. See ya.
Thank you, guys. Bye.
Good night.
He
ये तो
actually
फटाफट चला गया.
Who left?
left.
He left.
Add this in the cut, please. He actually left. He's like, what?
Add this in the cut. Add this in the cut. Add this
Bye,
in the cut.
Felicia.